Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create an administrator user account on Mac computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create an administrator account on Mac computer, click on menu item or upper left corner, then click on System Preferences. Here you will find users and groups. If you do not find users and groups here, just in search type users, select users and groups, and first thing you need to do, just unlock to make changes. By default it's locked. Click on the lock. Now give your user password. Click on unlock. Now you can make any change. Here you will find an plus icon under login option. Just click on plus icon. Now the new account, you will find a drop down. There are two types of account you can create. Click here. One is administrator, another one is standard account. Just select administrator. Now type your name. This is the account name, and this one is the full name. Now you have to type your password, and now again type password to verify. Now you have to give your password hints. My hints is dog. Now click on create user. Look, the admin user account has been created. This is the way to create administrator account on Mac computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.